it's Mills here. I'm so excited about the new colours of the Galaxy S20 FE. I think we should start with red. The colour immediately makes me think of my favourite time of the year. It reminds me of our festive family traditions, like wearing our matching red pyjamas. It also reminds me of the iconic red heart, a symbol of my love for my family and friends. Mint reminds me of nature. It makes me think of my favourite wide open spaces in London and my garden at home. I got these today, and I just love fresh flowers. Aren't these beautiful? Navy makes me think of the sea and all the wonder, beauty, and life that exists beneath. It also makes me think of the night sky. That's when my imagination runs wild and my creativity really comes to life. Okay, I'm gonna go for my all-time favorite color, lavender. It makes me feel brave and it's a reminder to not take life too seriously. Galaxy S20 FE.